What's this action called?
trying on,
Trying on. I'm trying on the dress.
What's this action called?
mowing,
Mowing. I'm mowing the lawn.
What's this action called?
pasting,
Pasting. I'm pasting the photo.
What's this action called?
swinging,
Swinging. I'm swinging on the swing.
What's this action called?
stretching,
Stretching. I'm stretching my arms.
What's this action called?
embracing,
Embracing. I'm embracing my son.
What's this action called?
blowing,
Blowing. I'm blowing the balloon.
What's this action called?
packing,
Packing. I'm packing the bag.